Welcome to Tigaliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to tag everyone in a channel in a workspace in Slack. So, at first, just go ahead and open up your Slack software, or just go to your browser and search for Slack. Then just go to slack.com. After that, just successfully log into your account. Then you're gonna see all of your workspace under My Workspaces. Then just open any of the workspace and then just give it some time to load. You might have to click on Use Slack in your browser, then just give it like 2 to 3 seconds, it will load. And after the workspace loads, just go to the channel in which you want to tag everyone. And after that, if you go to message, if you try to type at everyone, you're gonna see nothing pops up. This is because Slack doesn't support it. In Slack, you need to type /channel. And if you do that, as you can see, notify everyone in this channel. It will tag everybody. So then you can send a message, hello. And this is gonna notify all the people in this channel. You can click on send. And there you go. And basically that is how to tag everyone or mention everyone in your chats. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.